Hi, I'm Desiree Lee, and I help hundreds of authors get their ideas off the ground. Welcome to another episode of And Now You Know. I was on a client call today of an author who is looking to publish their book that they've been holding on for 10 years. So naturally, I asked her to tell me a little bit about her book. So she goes on to tell me about how great her book is. She goes on to tell me how it's never been written like this and how it's going to be a bestseller and how it can potentially make a lot of money for her and change her lifestyle, also increase her income. And she goes on and on and on about this. And so I thought about it. I was like, wait, but she's been holding on to this story for 10 years? So I asked her, why has she waited so long to publish? And she proceeded to tell me that she doesn't have enough time. After I had time to think about it, I told her that the solution is very simple, cost efficient, and easy. That not having time is the only lie that she continues to tell herself and that she chooses to believe. And it's not true. If you're an individual who's saying that you don't have time either, you're saying, hey, look, I have kids, I have a 9 to 5, I have a husband, maybe you have a wife, you're saying you're involved in church, you're doing this, you're doing that. It always seems like something else comes up to where you cannot fulfill your dream of being a published author. Well, I'm here to help. So if you want to know the solution, keep watching this video all the way to the end. So let me know in the comment section below, how long have you been waiting to publish your book? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them because I am here to help. The solution is simpler than you think. I like to use this software called Temi, and I'm going to put the link inside of the description box so it can be easier for you guys to actually go to the website. And also I like to use this tool that they have on Google Docs, which is called voice typing. So with these two solutions, you can definitely use Temi if you already have maybe a pre-recorded video, if you're doing instructional material, or maybe you record a call with your friend, and maybe your friend or colleague or a family member where you can share your story or maybe share a few chapters, and then you can upload that audio or you can upload that video file into Temi where they can transcribe that video or your audio file for literally pennies on the dollar. Or if you are more introverted and just want to take your whole story and maybe read it out, or maybe expand upon some of the chapter, or of course make it, stretch it out a little bit more, put a little bit more adjectives, you can always use Google Docs. Google Docs, once you get to Google Docs, all you have to do is open up a blank file, click at the top where it says tools, go down to voice typing, click on that microphone, put your headphones in, put your microphone in plugged up to your computer, and just start talking. I promise you, readers like to read your book in a more intimate way, meaning that when somebody reads your story or maybe reads your instructional material, they tend to want to feel like you are talking directly to them. And essentially you are, especially if you are speaking your book, especially if you're uploading a video too as well, to make it a little bit more personal, which then in fact makes you, the author, a little bit more personable to each reader that purchases your book. So again, guys, click the link inside of my bio. You can go to temi.com, or you can also use a Google Docs. So now not having time is no longer an excuse. Not having time is not a reason or a valid reason why your book should not be published. Again, I am Desiree Lee, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel.